Yo, what is up guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Cold Blooded Guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a secret technique called the FEYNMAN technique to learn anything fast, whether it's for coding, for studying math, English, science and whatever. You can use this technique guys. It's very simple, just 3 easy steps, and it's coming up right now. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. This technique is actually called the FEYNMAN technique. It's a very kind of secret technique. I researched it online and found it. The technique, what you do require just 3 easy steps. So first of all, you pick a topic about around the kind of bucket around your interest. It can be coding, for programming, mathematics, physics, chemistry, whatever. You just pick a topic. So you study about the topic, you keep studying, studying, you understand and you get it. Then when you're done studying about topic, so you move on to step 2. And step 2, what you do, like kind of pretend you're teaching that topic to someone else. It can be your friend or an imaginary friend if you have one. You can use a board, a paper, anything, a computer. So you start teaching yourself what you actually learned from step 1. I mean, you understand what that's from step 3. You teach yourself what you actually learned. So you start putting in practice, teach yourself, ask yourself questions, then start pretending. And it's like if you have someone to teach, so you go to something like kind of already get the grasp of what you've learned. So then step 3, very easy. You do it, you repeat the same process again. Do it, do it, do it. But in this step 3, you repeat the same process using a much more simpler illustration, simpler way of explaining that topic. You can be like, okay, I learned in JavaScript or Python or whatever language you're using. And you learn like, okay, an if statement. You can say, okay, you can put it like more simple, like if I buy something, like I buy a comb, I just kind of comb my hair. If the comb is around, what should I do? So if the comb is around, what should I do? If the comb is not around, what should you do? So I then get like a kind of like illustration. So you can use different kind of practical examples, like if you learn mathematics, like let me say, say 2 plus 2 minus 1, and 2 plus 2 we all know it's 4, minus 1 is 3. You can say, okay, if I have like two combs, and I add another 2 combs again, which is even right, that's 4 combs, and I remove 1 comb. So you understand, just kind of practical illustrations to use to make you understand. And when you finally done that, if you actually get a more simpler and clearer understand of what you've actually explained, then you know you've actually learned that thing. And using this technique actually makes you give you a kind of more retentive memory. You can remember what you've learned for a very long period of time. So you actually, step 1, you pick a topic, study about that topic. Step 2, you Step 2, you start pretending to explain it to someone. It can be yourself. You can take a paper, take a computer board, start explaining to yourself gradually until you kind of get a grasp. Ask yourself questions, take challenges, whatever. It can be coding, JavaScript, Python. Take challenges. They're very different. You can go to like hacker rank, everything. You take challenges. Step 3, you finally repeat the process again, then do it in a more simpler way. So guys, that's just the 3-step process you can actually use to like, or 3-step process you can actually use to learn anything fast. It can be coding or baking, mathematics, physics, whatsoever. So just use this technique. It's called the FEYNMAN technique. So guys, just for the 3 steps I told you, I'm going to make you learn anything fast. So if you like this video guys, please like, and please guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment and share the video. Guys, please always remember to share, help people out. And today guys, I'll see you next video guys, and we're